Why does this always spin? Probably needs an update. It's like every time I get on here, it needs an update. Let's see what's going on here. The spinning, 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 always spinning, 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 just spinning, always spinning, 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 spin, 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 spin. Update. That figures. How did I know it needed an update? What does it need an update? Oh, of course, it's the theme that needs updated. Okay, let's update that motherfucker. Why do you swear so much, Chris? Fuck if I know. Oh, guys and gals and guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. See, that's why it's spinning, because it needed an update. 6 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, and I'm up. And as you can see, my eyes are halfway closed. I feel like it's my birthday, kind of, sort of. And I'm acting kind of weird, aren't I, for a Sunday morning? I just got up. I don't know what to tell you. I haven't had enough coffee yet. Look over here. Look all that shit over there. I'm going to open. We're going to have openings. And I don't have to buy any of it. It's like my birthday, kind of, sort of. So we're going to open it and take a look at it. And I think most of it's Lenovo. It's got to be, because that's the website I brought up, is Lenovo. I think there's a couple laptops back there and a docking station and some other obscure stuff. Let's open it and see what we have. I don't know. I just feel tired and strange. I'm not drunk, just tired. All right, so here it is. Lenovo. This is actually a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, P1 Generation 4. I'm not really sure what that means. I guess it's lower than a Generation 5 and higher than a Generation 3. That's all that means to me. I don't know. I've never used a Lenovo before. I've always used Dells and HPs and Acers, I think. Acers, a long time ago, Acers. I'm going to tell you full disclosure here. It's already been open. I've already used it for a week. This is actually my new work computer. And I'm also going to tell you I really like it. I have to look at the stats because I'm not really sure what the RAM speed is. It's just it's very slick. Let me open it first, right? It's very slick. I don't know. It's very fast. And I like it. I've only used it for a week, but I like it a lot. So here's the opening here. This is basically what you get. I mean, it's right. It's a laptop. So you open one laptop, you've opened them all. Okay, it's actually on. And there it says ThinkPad. La la la. So nice. It looks like a laptop. It's very thin. It's got. I need my old man glasses. So it's got two USB ports on the one side here. That's your whatever the hell it's called there. It looks like a card. You know, you get out of your. I'll find. Let me get my camera and see if I know what I'm talking about. I'm not sure what the hell that is, to tell you the truth. Right there. I think there's display ports. And then you've got your power, and then you got two. Here, I'll show you. Got two little mini ports there, and then you got. I'm assuming that's for your headphones. It is for your headphones. Let me get. What the hell is that port right there? I think that's for SD card. Geez, I'm gonna get up for a minute. Are you gonna miss me? Hang on a second. Wasn't prepared. I'm ill prepared. I'm a terrible YouTuber. All right. So let me get this out. Excuse me while I whip this out. This is a camera. Oh, it's not in there. And you can tell that I haven't used it in a while. No, this is way too small. So, what is... Yeah, I guess... Oh, okay, it is. Okay, it's just for a card. So, I grabbed that out of my camera just to make sure that's what it is. I don't know, that just seems random to put that on a computer now, right? Do we still use these cards? I mean, this camera is like 10 years old. I'm not even sure. Do you know? Um, anyways, let's look it up and fire it up. And let's look at the stats on this particular baba. All right. Look, it's Windows. It's a Windows-based computer. If you've seen one Windows-based computer, you've seen them all. Now I have to remember my freaking password. All right. So my password is bubabooey, boobadooby, upadooby, 136, question mark, ubadooby. All right, so now you all know my password. And let me get this out of here. Let me get this out of here. So once again, nothing really much to see. It's Windows. It's Windows 10, I do believe. And we are going to go in and see what the stats is for this bad boy, shall we?
So testing 1, 2, 3. I'm actually using the laptop's camera and get the light out of the way and microphone. So, well, I'm using my microphone and plugged into the laptop. Why is this so weird? So why do you have to do this twice? Change made, be saved. Prevent this page from creating additional dialogues. Just leave. Just leave. Stop. Oh, maybe you have to hit this. Finish recording. There I am. So let's look at the stats, shall we? Oops. Oh, excuse me. That's not what I wanted to do, damn it. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, okay. So the installed RAM, that's why it's so goddamn quick. It's 32 gig RAM. That's awesome. So I only had 16 on my government laptops. So that just proves that the government is cheap. And then private corporations are much better, because they provide 16 more gig of RAM than the government. So your tax dollars are not going to RAM. Who knows where the hell it's going to? But for the private sector, their money is going to 32 gig of RAM, which I'm very grateful for. So yep, Windows 10 Enterprise, and I'm loving the 30. That's why this is so freaking quick and awesome, is because, yeah, because the RAM is so awesome. I'm very excited. So, yeah, that's about it. I love this computer. It's lickety split for me, and now we know why. And it's very thin. It's very thin, lovers. And all right, I'm going to get off here, and I just wanted to show you the power cord, because that's always exciting.
Oh, let's also talk about the power cord. It's an unusual power cord that I'm not used to. So I know it sounds like I'm fresh out of the womb when this comes to this world of IT and laptop. I'm really not. I just never seen a power cord like this before. Sue me. So it's kind of like a USB, but it's not. So I'm not sure why it's like that. I don't know. I'm not a power cord expert. I think because it's an Energy Star, and that it's 100 and the wattage is 135 watts. So I'm assuming that's why. And this is a smaller Lenovo, which we're going to touch upon in a minute. And this is probably, what, 45, 65? Jesus Christ. I tell you, don't get old. My advice to you is don't get old. That's all you get. I still can't see. It's dark in here. Yeah, this is 65 watts. And then, what the hell's the end of this thing? Now I can't see because I got these stupid glasses on. And that's a smaller, so that's a smaller, and I'm used to, you know, this seems to be going a long way just for a power cord explanation. Oh my God, I'm choking myself with my, ooh. Oh, you know what? I never realized that this laptop was a Lenovo. This is an 8 gig laptop. This is my ex-wife's laptop that I use all the time. That's pretty funny. I never noticed. So I have used a Lenovo. I am a lying son of a bitch. So I'm used to like the standard plug, but I'm an old guy. I got an old laptop, and now I'm just astounded by the new power cords. So I'm going a long way just to discuss these fucking power cords. And this is so this is so this is 100 to 240 volts. What? That doesn't make any sense. All right, never mind. All right, sorry, I went way off course here. So I really like the Lenovo. It's very nice. I mean, there's only so many things you can say about a laptop and individual laptops and a window-based laptop. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. I'm very happy with it just because the RAM is more, and it's just quicker, and that's why I can't really make a general comparison between Dell and HP. And this is a piece of shit. This might as well just be a doorstop. This is a Lenovo as well, but it's only 8 gig. So it's all about the RAM, baby. But I'm happy with it. If you want to get a Lenovo, if you want to get this brand of Lenovo, there you go. You have my recommendation. You got my thumbs up. It's nice. It's got a big screen, and it's just the keyboard's very nice, and the mouse is very nice. You got the 2 buttons here, or you can hit down on this for your mouse. All right, gals and guys. I'm sorry. This turned out to be a bad opening too, didn't it? What's up with my openings? What's up with my box openings? I just don't do them well. Maybe I shouldn't do them at 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, gals and guys, I appreciate you as always. I got some other stuff, some other videos I'm going to make, some other stuff we're going to open, and let's see what other trouble we can get into. All right, please subscribe if you haven't already, because I need subscribers. I'm new, pretty much, and I want subscribers. I really want them badly. I don't know. I like this. If you like it. If you hated it, please share. If someone's looking for a laptop or a Lenovo and need a recommendation for it, I do recommend it. And hit that fucking bell for updates. And I'm gonna edit this video and put it up, and then I'm gonna make another terrible video after this. Okay. All right. This is only a test of the emergency broadcast system. All right, so I don't know why it's like that. I'm not a power cord expert or anything. I think it's because it's an Energy Star. This is considered a thin. Oops, let me get back in there. It's considered. Oops, I had this all prepared too. Why is all this? Okay, let's try again.